Hello, guys. This is going to be part two on conspiracy theories on TV shows, and this one had me interested. Remember, this might be disturbing to some people, might make them uncomfortable. If conspiracy theories aren't your thing, I totally understand. Definitely X this video out, and you could totally find something else to watch. I do understand. For those who want to get started and are interested, let's go. So this one's weird. I used to watch this all the time with my grandma, but this is about Murder, She Wrote. And the theory is that Jessica Fletcher, she's the main character in it on Murder, She Wrote, is not an author who just writes mystery, but she is actually a serial killer. She disguises herself as a novelist, okay, and that she's like helping with detective work and stuff, but that she actually is the murderer. And this had me really like, I was into this, okay? I'm into this because it's such a fun series. I used to love watching it growing up. But how she would like always randomly stumble upon a dead body and then later figure out who the murderer is. And she was on the show for 12 years. The show ran, and 268 people were murdered, and it was all in this one area, Cabot Cove. It's in Maine, and the population was 3,500 approximately. And and this is just in the whole, obviously the show world and stuff, but it's like either, killers are just flocking to this area, or else she's a serial killer who throws people off her trail because, here's this nice, gentle lady who's just, she's helping these police and she's just trying to write her novels for, and it kind of helps her. And it's like, could that be true? Again, I know this is just a show and the creators didn't say yes or no to this, but it's still very interesting. And I know I couldn't be the only one because I never heard of the Murder, She Wrote conspiracy theory. I didn't even know it existed. So it definitely intrigued me a lot. All right, this next one is quite interesting, and I feel like I heard this before, but not 100%, but I do feel like I heard it before growing up, and it is about Gilligan Island. And they believe that Gilligan's Island, okay, is actually hell. And it's quite interesting to hear this. It's that sinful inhabitants, okay, all perished from that boat, okay, onto this island, and it's supposed to represent the seven deadly sins. Mr. Hell represents greed, his wife, sloth, Ginger, lust, the innocent farm girl envies Ginger's beauty and lifestyle, the professor is prideful, and Skipper symbolizes two deadly sins, gluttony and wrath. He's always taking something out on Gilligan, and he's always calling him a dimwit and putting people down. And people actually go as far to think Gilligan represents Satan. He's constantly messing up the group's plans, and he's always wearing red. Granted, this is more of a light-hearted one, but still interesting nonetheless. I mean, I wouldn't say that I would think Gilligan was Satan, but this was just all in fun. But I was like, oh, I didn't know. I feel like I heard it before, but not fully. And I'm like, you know what? I have to talk about this because this is weird. Gilligan's Island ran for a long time. It was very popular. So definitely really interesting. This is going to be the end of part two. Part three will be coming out shortly. Thanks so much, guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below any conspiracy theories you guys want me to talk about. Thanks, guys. Bye.